Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a really exciting video in store for you guys. We are all the way in New York City. We flew all the way here to try America's oldest restaurant, Caravan of Dreams, right?
I'm so excited. I'm from Australia. I'm Skye and I'm your best friend.
And Skye has flown all the way for 24 hours for this. The food is to die for. It's supposed to be absolutely incredible, you guys. It's raw and cooked. And Skye, what do you love about being raw?
Oh my gosh, everything. Like I could not be standing right here and I would not have met you. I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about it. Like to be at a restaurant. I was sick my whole life and it's changed everything for me. So if you're out there and you're not well, you can live the life of your dreams and spend time going to restaurants like this.
Yeah, you can still dress up, have fun, right? You can still live your best life. And raw foods have changed my life like nothing else. I literally don't know where it would be today. It gives me so much energy, so much life, and just it's hard to even put into words. So come inside, see how exciting it truly is, and let's go check it out. Okay, this is some of the most beautiful raw food I've ever seen, literally. So this is just the appetizers, guys, and prepared with such love. So here we're going to start out. We have a raw avocado bruschetta, and this is house-made raw coconut bread, house-made raw aioli, tomato, basil, olives, and I believe it has some chia seeds as well. And then over here we have some raw nachos. They look out of this world. We have a raw ravioli, right? Is that what that was, Skye?
Yeah, that's the ravioli. I've heard good things about this.
And then what else do we have over here?
This is the hummus dish here, and there's some crackers on the side there. It says, they're mango flax chips.
Wow, crudité with mango flax chips. And then which one was that?
This is also the pesto with the za'atar, and there's the mango flax tortilla underneath that. And then if we move over here, there's the coconut and avocado soup with, I think, a raw bread.
With a raw bread.
Creamy.
Everything's raw. And when you eat raw living foods, not heated above a certain temperature, you do truly feel a massive difference. And it literally can transform your life just like it has ours. So let's dig in. I can't wait to taste test. Oh, wow. That raw bruschetta, 10 out of 10.
Really?
Flavor. That's the ravioli you're going to try?
No, this is the za'atar, the pesto za'atar with the mango flax. Oh my gosh, all the basil. So good. This is amazing. And the strawberries.
This is so good too, you guys. This tortilla and salsa, the nacho. These tortillas are delicious.
Oh wow.
Look at this dinner. These entrees are absolutely stunning and they're alive, beautiful, prepared with such love. I can't wait to try them. So we have a raw vegan burger right here. We have a beautiful raw zucchini pasta. We have, what do we have over there?
We've got manicotti over here. We've got a sampler plate over here with there's mock meatballs that looks like some of the fettuccine, not the fettuccine, the ravioli that we had. And then sushi here with some sauerkraut.
And then these lovely tostadas. So we're going to dig in.
Ooh.
But it looks so good.
It does look good.
Oh, wow. That's a good pasta. So delicious. Try this burger.
Is it like a lentil? Like what is it?
Okay, that burger
Really?
tastes just like a burger.
Really?
With the mustard on there, it's so good.
No way.
Okay, we're gonna dig in and stay tuned for dessert. So we are really full. This food has been really satisfying and
Amazing.
incredible and so beautiful, so well prepared. So check out these desserts. We have a gorgeous mango pie, right? I think,
Yes.
and then a delicious coconut chocolate.
Tart, I think it is.
A delicious coconut chocolate tart. So let's give this a try. You're gonna try any of it, or are you just done?
No, I think I'm
Skye's
done.
so
I'm
full.
here admiring. It looks beautiful.
And what's your favorite part about being raw?
Oh, having a life. Like just being able to be well. I was sick my whole life, so to be well and just have moments like these. I don't even have to eat this now because I've eaten so much before. But I sit in gratitude every day. If you can sit in gratitude in something, it was meant for you.
Aw, Skye, well said. And you've had such a huge transformation. I'll try to put a picture on the screen right now, Skye. I'm so happy you found raw food, and that's how we found each other.
Yeah.
love you.
Love you.
Well, this has been amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna go indulge. I just had a bite of this mango pie. It's out of this world. And we are going to LA next to try Wild Living Foods, America's most popular and in-demand raw food restaurant. It's only raw food. And we're gonna meet up with Johnny the Juicer there, Dr. Elizabeth. So many people. It's gonna be so much fun. So be sure to subscribe. You don't know what's coming next after that too. We never know what's coming on this channel. And I'll put a great video with Skye on the screen right now. Go check that out. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.